Hello guys, I am from GovGraph Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from inverse trigonometric functions. That question is question number 18, exercise 2.2 equal to find the value of tan in bracket sin inverse 3 over 5 plus cot inverse 3 over 2 bracket close. Now come out to solution here. Solution I shall write here solution. Solution equal to given that tan in bracket sin inverse 3 over 5 plus cot inverse 3 over 2 bracket close. Now here you can see tan is there in the main function. Inside the bracket terms given are sin inverse cot inverse, whereas tan is there in main function. So here sin inverse and cot inverse will also be changed into term of tan inverse. What we'll do here? Here I shall let sin inverse in bracket 3 over 5 equal to theta. Imply that 3 over 5 equal to sin theta, it will become. Imply that sin theta equal to 3 over 5, it will become. Now here I shall write by applying triangle concept. Triangle concept with respect to theta. By applying triangle concept with respect to theta, imply that here I shall make a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree and angle A is theta. Angle A is theta. So here you can say angle BAC equal to theta and angle B equal to 90 degree. Then you can write sin theta equal to, here you can see sin theta with respect to angle BAC equal to theta, perpendicular will be BC because BC is the side opposite to angle theta. Therefore, BC will be perpendicular. Sin theta equal to BC perpendicular over, and the side AC is the opposite side of angle B, that is 90 degree. The AC will be hypotenuse. Sin theta equal to BC perpendicular over hypotenuse AC. This is the case. Here you can write Sin theta you have got here, sin theta equal to 3 over 5. So here you have got sin theta equal to 3 over 5. This means that, implied that BC equal to 3 unit and AC equal to 5 unit. Value of BC will be 3 and value of AC will be 5. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, by applying Pythagoras theorem, implied that AC का वर्ग इक्वल टू AB का वर्ग प्लस BC का वर्ग, and now with the help of this one you will get AB equal to value of AB will be 4 unit. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. The value of AB will be 4 unit. So here write 4 unit. 4. Then tan theta. Now here you can write tan theta equal to perpendicular BC over base AB. Base AB implied that tan theta equal to BC. Value of BC you have got here 3. The value of BC I shall take 3 over value of AB I shall get here 4. So this will become, now here you have got tan theta equal to 3 over 4. So theta equal to tan inverse 3 over 4 you have got. Now here you can see theta equal to tan inverse 3 over 5. Here you have got tan inverse 3 over 4 equal to theta. So it will become theta equal to tan inverse 3 over 4 equal to sin inverse in bracket 3 over 5. Now here in place of sin inverse 3 over 5 you can write tan inverse 3 over 4 you can write. And now come out to original question. Here I am going to write the original question I have taken here. Tan in bracket sin inverse 3 over 5 plus cot inverse 3 over 2 equal to tan in bracket in place of sin inverse 3 over 5 I can write tan inverse 3 over 4. So here I shall write tan inverse 3 over 4 plus here cot inverse 3 over 2 is there. So in place of cot inverse 3 over 2 I can write tan inverse 2 over 3. Curly bracket close. Why? Because inverse of cot inverse will be tan inverse. Accordingly, inverse of 3 over 2 will be 2 over 3. So here you have got tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You will apply formula here. So now it will become, here I can write tan, open here curly bracket, tan inverse in bracket, you will write 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 whole over 1 minus 3 over 4 dot 2 over 3 bracket 1. So this you have to solve. You will get here. Here I shall write imply that tan inverse, tan, open here curly bracket, tan inverse in bracket, you can see 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 comes out to take LCM of 4 and 3. You will get 12. And this 4 will multiply by 3, you will get here 12. And this 3 will multiply to 3, you will get here 9. 9 plus, and this 2 will multiply to 4, you will get 4 to the 8. So here you will get 8. Whole over 1 minus 2 will multiply to 3, comes out to 2 3 are 6. 6 over, and 4 will multiply to 3, comes out to 12. Now enclose the bracket, curly bracket close here. Implies that here you can write tan inverse, open here this one will be tan, because here tan is there, here I shall write tan. Open here curly bracket, tan inverse, this will become 9 plus 8, 17. 17 over 12 whole over, this you have to calculate, 1 minus 6 over 12 comes out to 12 minus 6, 6. So 6 over 12 it will become. Now what we'll do here? Equal to, you can write tan, open here curly bracket, tan inverse in bracket 17 over 12 will multiply to 12 over 6. Open here curly bracket. This 12 will be cancelled out. You will get, implied that tan inverse, open here curly bracket, tan inverse, implied that tan, open here curly bracket, tan inverse in circle bracket 17 will multiply to 1, comes out to 17, and here 1 will multiply to 6, you will get here over 6. Now curly bracket close again. Now we will get here you can see tan, curly bracket, tan inverse 17 over 6 comes out to 17 over 6. Here you do not need to care about conditions or criteria for principal value branch. In other sense, you don't require to refer range of tan inverse, because in main function tan is there. In main function tan is there, here tan inverse is there. In place of tan inverse, you can write 1 over tan. Here in main function, tan is there. Tan will be cancelled out. You will get simply 17 over 6. You don't require to refer principal value branch because in main function tan is there. So 17 over 6 will be the correct answer. Here I can write answer equal to 17 over 6. The complete solution of question 18 exercise 2.2. I have reflected here. The correct answer will be 17 over 6. Okay, thanks.